This is a different video. It's the first type of video like this that I've done. That's going to be a special unboxing. What's inside this box, I don't really know. Well, I have an idea, but I don't know for sure. But it's coming from a company called Ronin Factory. They make a shift bushing for the Focus ST specifically. I'm going to be doing some work with them. I'm going to be partnering with them, helping them develop some products specifically for the Focus ST. So let's open this box up and see what's inside. Now, when I was working with my contact there, Scott, I had him send out some extra bushings or shift cables, and I'm going to be giving those away to you guys. So you guys that own Focus STs or Focus RSs, this applies directly to you. We're going to be doing some giveaways in one of my upcoming videos, probably the video of me doing an actual install on my Focus ST for this car. Check down in the description below. You can see their website right now. This is the only product they currently have for the Focus ST, but we're going to help him grow that between my input and all of your comments. I told him it'd be good to get input from all of you guys that have actually owned these cars to see what do we need out there that is not been currently done or not done well enough on the Focus ST. So we're going to open this up. I was frustrated because this package was lost for a couple of days because it had the wrong name on it. But it is found, and I couldn't be happier, and it's Friday. Ooh, okay. Got a Ronin Factory shirt, really nice Sport Tech shirt. I actually think I'm wearing that brand right now. And then we have shift bushings. So there you go. Really nice piece of equipment here. Looks like there's one. Okay. So one for me and one for one of you guys. And that's my dog. But yeah, so that we're going to be doing an install on this. And I'm really excited for the partnership. I'm also excited for giving him input on things he can build for the Focus ST. And I'm also excited to hear your guys' input on what things can you think of that we can build, manufacture for the Focus ST to improve its drivability, things like that. You guys know what I'm talking about. So very excited for this video coming up and the partnership. Thank you all for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Like this video because it's the right thing to do, and we'll see you soon.
I do a handstand, put my feet on the ceiling. I do a handstand, put my feet on the ceiling. I do a handstand, put my feet on the ceiling. Put my feet on the ceiling. Put my feet on the ceiling. Yo, have you ever looked up at the clouds, thinking what would happen if we all fall upside down? I just wanna party downtown, floating to the music with my people all around. Yeah, see all the voices in my head is so loud, screaming, but I'm lost in the sound of a crowd.